Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making sweet and sour pork ribs. This dish is packed with perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors. And trust me, kids absolutely love it. Let's get started. I asked the butcher to chop the ribs into bite-sized pieces. Makes it so much easier. Now I'm just giving them a good rinse in clean water to wash off any blood and impurities. Now let's prepare our aromatics. We need bay leaf, slices of ginger, and 1-star onions. All the ingredients and measurements are listed in the description below, so check there if you need them. Place the ribs into a wok of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. There's no need to add ginger or green onions here because their flavors won't fully develop unless blanched for about 8 to 10 minutes. Here, using cooking wine is enough. Once the water starts boiling and the scum rises to the top, use a fine mesh skimmer to skim off the foam. Keep the lid off during this process. This helps to prevent any unwanted gamey smell. Let it boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then take the ribs out and rinse them in warm water or hot water. Now, let's make the caramelized sugar. Heat some oil in the wok. Add rock sugar and break it up with a spatula. Keep the heat on medium to melt the sugar. If you use low heat, the sugar will harden instead of melting properly. Now that the sugar has completely melted, turn the heat down to low. Keep stirring with chopsticks. See those tiny bubbles forming? That's our caramel. Once the bubbles become richer and the color deepens, it's time to add in our ribs. Turn the heat to high and stir-fry the ribs until they are evenly coated in the caramelized sugar. Look at that beautiful glaze. Next, add the aromatics. Give it a good mix. Now, add 3 tablespoons of black vinegar and stir-fry until fragrant. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Stir everything together. Pour in hot water, enough to just cover the ribs. Cover and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. If you are using the pressure cooker, 6 minutes will do the job. Now, after about 30 minutes, let's take a look. There's still quite a bit of soup left. Time to season with 2 teaspoons of salt and give it a good stir. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Let's take another look. The sauce has thickened beautifully. Remove the aromatics from the wok. Now add 3 teaspoons of sugar and stir until fully dissolved. Finally, add 2 more tablespoons of black vinegar and stir fry until fragrant. We are done! Look at that glossy glaze. Every rib is coated in that rich, sweet, and tangy sauce. Just beautiful. And check this out. The meat just slides right off the bone. So tender, so juicy. That balance of sweet and sour. The melt in your mouth texture. This is comfort food at its finest. So why order takeout when you can make something this good at home? It's easy, budget-friendly, and way more satisfying. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.